Hi everyone, I am Dr. A. Sethupathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about the lathe and construction of the lathe and application of the lathe machine. So before going to see the lathe machine, why we need lathes? So empathize a problem, a cylindrical jobs, we need to reduce the diameter for a step, and we need a taper slope areas in cylindrical jobs, and some other jobs we need to fix a oil rings or some other bearing materials. We need a groove in a cylindrical jobs for shafts and some other machine shafts and spline shafts. So these type of operations mostly done by the lathe machines. So this is the unique operations of the industries. So we need lathe machine. So in this lathe is a versatile machine for tool primarily used for shaping materials for like wood and metal and plastic. These type of materials we shape and get a desired parts. So in lathe machines, we are using a single point cutting tools only. In the principle of lathe machine is the workpiece is rotating 360 degree and the tool is in stationary position. So while the construction of this lathe machine is mostly in majorly four parts, one is headstock and tailstock, tool post and bed and columns. In headstock, there is a spindle connected with the electric motor. If the motor drives, the spindle also rotates. In end of the spindle, we connect a part like name chuck. This is work holding device of the lathe machine. So the chuck is have two major types. One is 4-jaw chuck and another one is 3-jaw chuck. Mostly the 3-jaw chuck used in the CNC lathe machines and faster manufacturing process and mass production areas we are using 3-jaw chucks. That the name self-centering chucks. And the 4-jaw chucks we used in heavy components like large diameter shafts. We hold the large areas. So 4-jaw chucks we are using. The tailstock, the purpose is to arrest the another end of the shaft. One end is fixed in the chuck and the another end is connected with the tailstock dead centers. So the purpose of tailstock is to arrest the vibration and control the override of the end. The tool post, that is called tool holding area. So we fix the tools, the tool like single point cutting tool, fix in the tool posts. The tool post is connected with the compound rest, and that compound rest is connected with the garage. This garage is moved in longitudinal transverse like forward and reverse, and the compound rest also moves in the cross slides, that is called cross feed areas. And inside the compound rest we have the automatic feeding mechanism in the saddle or garage areas. A screw rod is connected with the garage. So the screw rod purpose is for only when we are using the thread cutting times. The thread cutting operation doing the lathe machines, we engage the screw rod rotation with a lever is connected with the garage. So the thread cutting is automatically done by the movement of garage. Then there is a guideways. The guideways is another name is bed. This bed is connected with the garage. The garage movement of forward and reverse is used by hand wheels. The bed is guided by the guideways or carriages. Then most of the two columns, that is one is holding on the headstock area and another one is holding on the tailstock area. This is common construction of the lathe machines. So this is also the same. What is the function and definitions, the basic components and operation principle I already told. The workpiece is rotating, the tool material is in a stationary position. So this is different types of lathes. One is engine lathe, the most common type, and versatility and precision we are using in all the areas. And another one is tool room lathe. This lathe is used for manufacturing the tools. And another one is turret lathe. This lathe is used for the mass production areas because the turret head have attached in this tool. This turret head have holding more than 6 to 24 tools. So the tool changing time will be reduced. So the manufacturing time is reduced. The product output is increased. And another one is CNC lathe. This is computer numerical control lathe. This lathe is controlled by coding systems. There are two type of coding we are using. One is G codes and another one is M code. G code is preparatory function. This is controlled by the tool paths, and M code is controlled the machines. For example, coolant on off, chuck, rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. So these type of operations controlled by the M codes. And finally, we get bench lathe. This is the movable lathe and mobility to use for on the table. We fix it and move it anywhere. A small components will be produced by these bench lathes. Thank you.